Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, grade 6. I'm sharing this to show you how to do the filter. Okay, of course I have to go always to switch to design view. Now we are in datasheet view. We're gonna switch to design view. In the design view, grade 6, as we see, we can change the field, we can hide it, we can share it. This is the name ID field. I can remove the tick to hide it or to share it. So grade 6, we have an option, the filter. Wait a minute. The filter. Where is the filter? It's over here but not activated. So let me switch back. Datasheet view. This is the filter grade 6. Sorry. I want to sort the game name ascending filter. So when I do ascending, the game name is switched automatically. A for American, B for baseball, B for basketball, golf, handball. Now it's become like alphabetic order. So I can go ascending and filter. These are ascending and filter and sorting. These are in home tab grade 6. These are in home tab over. Sort and filter in home tab. After you view it, you can change the view. No need to switch to design view by the way grade 6. You can do it in datasheet view. Datasheet view. I want to sort the ball size also. I want to do the ball size ascending. So now I sort the ball size field by ascending. Number of players. Also I can do sorting, advanced sorting or selection for the numbers. Numbers that equal and numbers that does not equal it. No need to do this grade 6. Just in the ICT book they mention for you how to do the sort by letters. Let's do the sort by letters. Okay, so we can sort the name as they do it over here. They sort the name, and by the way the book version is like a different a little bit, but as you can see this is the filter sign, the standard filter sign. So we can do the ascending filter, and we sort the names by alphabetic order, A to Z or Z to A. That's it grade 6. So I wanted to do it in home tab. They are kind of filter. Any question grade 6? Any question? Abdullah. I create a query, mashallah. Yes, I will let you share, Abdullah. I will let you share. But before we continue, any question grade 6? Any question? I can remove sort again. If I change my mind, click remove sort. Or you can then do normal grade 6. I highlight the field. I can remove sort. Okay, so this is the sort. I can remove it. I already click remove, so it's not activated. Remove and sort is not activated. Write a message. I cannot open the mic, grade 6. Write the message, Muhammad. Which one I should click? This one, Yelena, it's highlighted. It's over here highlighted, Yelena. In home tab, sort and filter. It's in home tab, sort and filter. Highlight the whole field, Yelena. Like I want to sort this field. Ball color. I want to sort the ball color. Wait. I want to sort the ball color. Okay, so I can go over here and I can do this ascending. Let's try this ascending. This one. So it's become like from W to B, from Z to E. This ascending from Z to E, ascending from A to Z. I can also go remove sort. Remove sort. So that's it. Very simple grade 6. Very simple. Okay. Which one you do not understand, Muhammad? It's in home tab. Everything in home tab. No need to change the view. Everything is in home tab. Go to home tab and you will find ascending and this ascending. As we said yesterday, ascending sort like I do from A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, this. This ascending from Z to A. This ascending from Z to A. Like in case I want to filter your name, your grade 6, I'm gonna start with the student, their names start with A for Abdullah, A for Ahmed, A for In, A for Ali, A for Atayib. So names gonna be started from A to Z, and which one gonna be the bottom of the list? Jury, not jury, sorry. R, I think Reem, R for Reem, be like the bottom of the list. So as you can see, these are the field, the ball color. We sorted from Z to A. And it's done automatically also for the game name. If I do this ascending, also again the list have been changed. List also changed. Okay, so that's all grade 6.